Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're going to look at Year 5 Block 2 Assessment Paper 2. Calculators may be used throughout this paper. The answers are after each question. Question 1. Look at the rainfall graph below. It shows the rainfall measured on 6 days in March. How much rainfall was there on Wednesday? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 50 millimeters. Question 1b. If the total rainfall for the week was 200 millimeters, what was the rainfall for Saturday? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 10 millimeters. Question 1b. C. Complete the graph by drawing a bar for Saturday's rainfall. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is bar to 10 millimeters. Ta-da! Let's look at the next question. Question 2a. How much would it cost for 3 books? Show you're working out if one book costs £2.99. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is £8.97. How much would it cost for 2 CDs, which cost £2.50 each, and 1 cassette, £1.25, altogether? Show you're working out. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer was £6.25. Next question. If Gemma bought 3 cassettes and 1 CD, how much change would she get from a £10 note? Show you're working out. Pause the video until you are ready for the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are £3.75. Question 3a. This table shows the cost of dry cleaning clothes. How much would it cost to clean a skirt and a suit? Pause the video until you are ready for the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is £9.45. Question 3b. How much would it cost to clean 2 pairs of trousers? Pause your answer video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is £5.90. Question 3c. How many blouses could be cleaned for £10? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 4. Question 4a. What time does the leisure centre close on a Thursday? Pause the video until you're ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 10 p.m. Question 4b. How long is the leisure centre open on a Sunday? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 9 hours. Question 4C. Which day is the leisure centre open for 10.5 hours? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is Saturday. Question 5A. Megan plays table tennis for 2 hours 35 minutes. How much does she pay? Look at the chart and work it out. Pause the video until you're ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is £1.50. Question 5B. Tommy plays table tennis from 9:30 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. How much does he pay? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is £1. C. If adults have to pay double the charge for children, how much would it cost for 2 adults to play for 2 hours 15 minutes? Pause the video until you're ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is £6. 6A. The chart shows that you can exchange $1.4 for every pound. How many dollars would Sandra get for £110? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is $154. The chart shows you can exchange $1.4 for every pound. How many dollars will Archie get for £105? Pause the video until you're ready to see the answer. $121. The chart shows that you can exchange $1.4 for every pound. How many pounds would you need to buy $42? Pause the video until you are ready for the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is £30. Calculator exercises. Complete these number sentences. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are these. 597 plus 3,268 makes 3,865. B. 160.5 minus 36.9 equals 123.6. C. £7.28 plus 15.9 equals 23.18. D. 1,000 minus 234.3 equals 7,765.7. E. 28.72 minus 14.33 equals 14.39. 358 times 93 equals 33,294. G. 74.2 times 18 equals 1,335.6. 47 times 98 equals 4,606. I. 349.6 divided by 8 equals 43.7. 77,938 divided by 63 equals 126. Question 8. Calculator problems. Complete the table below. There are 18 biscuits in every packet. How many full biscuits could be made from these numbers? Pause the video until you're ready to see the answer. Here comes the answers. The answers are 72 packets was 4. 234 biscuits equals 13 packets. 2,826 biscuits in 157 packets. 160 biscuits in 8 packets. 400 biscuits, 22 packets. 253 biscuits, 14 packets. 1,000 biscuits, 55 packets. Question 9a. Rounding up, in a concert hall there are 26 seats in every row. How many rows of seats would it be needed for the following audiences? Pause the video and work out the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 182 people would need 7 rows of seats. 736 people would need 29 rows of seats. 200 people would need 8 rows of seats. 300 people would need 12 rows of seats. 1,000 people would need 39 rows of seats. Question 9b. On a school trip, there needs to be 1 adult with every 16 children. How many adults are needed on the following trips? Pause the video and work out the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is children 192 would need 12 adults. 256 children would need 16 adults. 304 children, 19 adults. 245 children would need 16 adults. 273 children would need 18 adults. 350 children would need 22 adults. 337 children would need 22 adults. 207 children would need 13 adults. 460 children, 29 adults. 450 children, 29 adults. Click on more of my videos. By simply clicking on the middle button, you can subscribe to my channel. And then, of course, if you click on the notification bell, you will get even more features and notifications. You will be one of the first to know when I have uploaded new maths resources. Every one of my maths resources is designed to make maths teaching easier and more fun. To explore more of my First Maths channel, please click one of the 2 videos here. Have fun and love teaching maths. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.